How to convert your Word documents in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can open your Word document in Google Docs. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you to like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay, so here I'm on my Chrome. First, we need to log in with our account. Okay, first I'm going to show you some. I'm taking you in Google Drive. Okay, so Google Drive is a basically storage facility for your any Google Docs document like Google Docs, Google Sheet, Google Form, and any other documents. It is only saved in Google Docs. Okay, but you can also open the Google Docs and Google Sheet separately. Like if I want to open the Google Docs application here, it will be open here, and as I can see all my documents here. Okay, but in Google Drive you can see all your documents, like you can see the Google Sheet, you can see the Google Slide, your Google Form, and many more. Okay, Drive is basically you can manage your documents here. Okay, and when you create any documents in Google Drive, Google Docs, it is only save in Google Drive. Okay, so if I make changes, you can see it is saving. After saving, it show that it's saved to Google Drive. Okay, so when you create any document here, it will be show here in Google Drive only, and you can also find this document in Google Docs. Okay, so here we are here to how you can convert your Microsoft documents in Google as a Google Docs. Okay, so just open your Google Drive. Okay, just go to the new, go to the upload the file upload, and here you have to find your that Word documents. I just open it, so it will be upload, it will be start upload. Now you have to just click on that. Okay, so now it will be open in Google Docs only, you can see. So I just refresh it. Okay, so which I can filter for documents. I can filter any type of documents here, so I just filter for documents only. So this one we just upload it. If I open it, it will be open in Google Docs. Okay, so now you can make changes from here, and you can also save it as a documents, Word documents, or any other format like PDF format, text format. You can also save as a web page. Okay, or you can share this file from here. Okay, this sharing features of Google Docs. You can share by email ID. You have to just write email ID. You can choose the role or permission. Viewer means people can only view. Comments means they can suggest the any content. They can suggest the changes. Or editor means they can directly edit. Okay, or you can copy link from here and share it, or you can add the peoples from here and send the permission. Okay, then notification will be sent to these peoples, and from here you can directly click on anyone this link, and you can select the permission and just copy the link, and you can share anyone. Okay, from email or any other platform. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and thank you for watching.